storming on the corner, about to catch the last train home. I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last train home. I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last train home. Placed upon the pavements, passers-by don't pay much. Chased away by neighbors, seen things you couldn't make up. If the streets could talk, they'd tell a story or two. I'll paint a picture for you. Placed upon the pavements, passers-by don't pay much. Chased away by neighbors, seen things you couldn't make up. If the streets could talk, they'd tell a story or two. I'll paint a picture for you. I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last train home. I'll have to jump the barriers, so can you spare a penny when my thoughts have been. I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last train home. I'll have to jump the barriers, so can you spare a penny when my thoughts have been placed upon the pavement. I'm storming on a corner, chased away by neighbors, to catch the last train home. If the streets could talk, I'll have to jump the barriers. I'll paint the can you spare a penny when my thoughts have been placed upon the pavement. I'm storming on a corner, chased away by neighbors, to catch the last train home. If the streets could talk, I'll have to jump the barriers. I'll paint the can you spare a penny when my thoughts have been.
Over which the towering mill chimney seemed to hover like a giant admonitory finger. Her footsteps echoed on the cobbles as she passed boarded and broken windows, until she reached the very last house.